Let's jump into Photoshop and create this cool refracted class effect. First, we're gonna convert our image into a smart object. Duplicate it, Ctrl Z. Make a new document, 1000 by 1000. Make a gradient. Press Ctrl A to select all. Go to Edit, define pattern, give it a name so that we can understand. We're gonna find it later. Close the file. A new document. Make it bigger. Go down here. The pattern. Use the gradient that we created earlier. Scale it down until it's look like this. Now save it as a map. Then go to picture, select the duplicate layer, go to filter gallery, distort, choose glass effect, and from here we can see some of the texture already given by the Photoshop. Just click this button, load the texture, select the map, and now here you can see our refracted glass effect. Now we can distort as much as we want, make it smooth, and click OK. Now we get the glass effect. Now what we need is selected area to have glass effect. So we're gonna select the ellipse tool, draw a circle, clip to the shape, then we can transform and move around wherever we want the effect. Now we're gonna go to the new image and we're gonna do the same things, different texture that we're gonna make. So let's continue.